Sixth question. Two identical blocks, each of mass m and velocity v, travels towards each other on a frictionless surface. Okay, mu is equal to 0. They undergo a head-on collision. This is the problem on collision, right? When there is a problem on collision, what do you have? You have your conservation of momentum. You need to apply it. So what is the momentum here? Momentum here is mv. If I take this direction is positive, and here it should be minus mv. Okay. The momentum of each block, what is definitely true immediately after the collision. Okay. So immediately after the collision, what happens? Now this is mv. Now it doesn't say anything about elastic, inelastic and so on. So therefore mv minus mv, this should be equal to total mass. So momentum before collision is equal to so much. So momentum, this is momentum P total before collision. Before collision. So which should be equal to 0. So similarly, momentum after collision should also be 0. So what should be the right answer over here? The total momentum is 0. B. Okay. Let us go to the next question.